Want to update your WordPress password to keep your account secure? Today, I'll show you how to do it quickly and safely. First, log into your WordPress dashboard by going to your site's URL, followed by /WPAdmin. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Users. This will display a list of all registered users on your site. Find your account and click Edit. This opens your profile settings where you can manage personal information and security features. Scroll down to the Set New Password section. WordPress will automatically generate a strong password for you, but you can also type in your own. Make sure your password is strong by combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you're happy with your new password, scroll down and click Update Profile. Your changes are now saved. For extra security, you can log out and log back in to test your new credentials. And that's it. Changing your WordPress password is simple, but it's a key step in keeping your site secure. Remember to update your passwords regularly and keep them strong to protect your site from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.